Hey, what's up guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about Siri tips and tricks. Now I've been wanting to film this video for quite some time and I thought today was the perfect chance. So let's start with a few simple tasks, starting with what's the battery percentage of my iPhone. So if you have your AirPods on, you're at the gym, maybe working out, or you simply have your iPhone sitting at a table and you don't want to walk over there to find out what the battery percentage is, of course you can use the custom Siri command or invoke Siri. What's the battery percentage?
Your iPhone is at 81%.
And Siri will let you know what the battery percentage of your iPhone is. Now this next one is also very useful. This one is, let's say you have to take a medication or something you need to be reminded of every single time at a specific time or a specific day. So for example, taking medications could be one of those things. So I can tell Siri, remind me every Wednesday at noon to take my medication.
Done.
So now this recurring Siri reminder will happen every Wednesday, and it will remind me at noon to take my medication. Now, if I hit change, I can delete that.
What do you want to change it to?
Delete this reminder.
Delete take my medication?
Yes.
Okay, it's gone.
So that's a very useful one as well. Now Siri can also translate into various languages. So you can ask Siri, what languages can you translate to?
I can translate from English into Arabic, Brazilian Portuguese, French German, Italian, Japanese, Mandarin Chinese, Russian, and Spanish.
Translate hello, how are you into Chinese.
Hi, 你好吗?
So Siri can translate for you just like that. Now this one I recently talked about on one of my previous iPhone tricks video, but Siri can also play a specific radio station based on your location. So I like a radio station here where I live that's called Q105. So you can ask Siri, play Q105 radio station. And there we go, Siri will start playing the radio station. Of course the volume is down, but it is playing, there it is. And Siri can actually play radio based on your location. Now you've probably asked Siri, or you've probably created a ton of alarms throughout the use of your iPhone and you don't want to go one by one deleting them. You can actually ask Siri, delete all of my alarms.
Are you sure you want to delete all your alarms?
Yes.
Okay, I deleted all your alarms.
Gone. Easy as that. Now, oftentimes I get questions on YouTube on how to find a particular setting on my iPhone to adjust it. So for example, this is going to be a very simple task, but so you understand the concept of the extension and how Siri works. So for example, wallpapers. Siri will open settings directly in wallpapers. Brightness settings. Siri will open the brightness settings on your iPhone. Accessibility settings. And so on. You get the idea. So if you're looking for a particular setting or something to adjust on your iPhone, Siri can take you directly to that setting as well. Siri can actually break down abbreviations as well. And there's an Easter egg here. Actually, Siri will curse depending on the abbreviation that you ask. What does WTF mean?
WTF is a vulgar slang term. It means, what fuck? Used as an expression of incredulity or annoyance.
Now that one caught me by surprise, but yes, Siri can actually break down abbreviations. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy these tips and tricks from Siri. If you like videos like this one, be sure to subscribe, click the like button, and let me know in the comments down below, should I film another one? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.